Viewers IAS Academy. In this video, we'll discuss some of the initiative taken by the Government of India in the past days for the improvement of the conditions of startups and how startups could be a very global competence in the future days. See, for example, there was recently a initiative known as Prarambh Startup India initiative, where the Government of India is stimulating all the smaller startups to become a bigger giant global players also. So for such smaller status to rise to a higher pertinence, we need some of the fundings, investments, FDI inflows at least. So to give us such bigger stimulus, bigger boost to all of the entities, we are coming up with a new idea known as seed funding. Startup India Seed Funding Scheme. So in this scheme, we'll mainly talk about how government can provide the initial funding, the primary funding to a company or a business enterprise when the revenues are not still derived by them. So this is basically a stimulus fund. In normal terms, it's a stimulus fund. That is, we are giving the enthusiasm to you to pertain to the future days, and by using such primary goals, you could achieve a big global precedence. So this is the main aim of having such schemes. And Startup India Seed Fund Scheme SISFS has been approved for the period of next 4 years starting from 2021 to 2022. So it has been a long day program, and startups can really rely on this seed funding such that it is not a permanent but a long-term goal of 4 years funding. And the seed fund schemes goes about the features of the seed funding. The schemes aims to provide financial assistance to startups to proof of concept, prototype, development, product trials, market entry and commercialization. So the initial step of a company mainly depends on the prototype. See, whenever you want to sell some shampoo or a product, you need such a prototype. You have to design a model. Design of the model. For such designing, and the personnel part of it is also required with the financial constraints. The software you have to buy, the design part and the product trials should be done, market entry, commercialization. We are in a very better conditions to provide the initial support to them. And 945 crores corpus will be divided over next 4 years for providing seed funding to eligible startups through eligible incubators across the India. So as you can see, eligible incubators are also initiated for the funding of India, and the scheme is expected to be support about 3,600 startups. So as you can see, it's a very huge and a very effective funding. 945 crores is not a very small amount, but giving such seed fundings would really ignite the minds of young people to take up startups in a more better way. So this was about the scheme. So what is a seed funding? See, we know the schemes, we know the initiatives, we have to know the main goals of a seed funding. Seed funding or a seed stage funding. Seed stage funding is a very early investment. What is it? It's a early investment. Getting it? No. It is the initial funding or the early investment which aims at helping the business growth and generating its own capital. So for the further revenue generation, we are giving a foundation by the seed funding. Then second point, it is also referred to as seed money or a seed capital. As you can see from the name itself, seed. What does a plant requires? Initially the plant requires a seed. Seed basically leads to a plant, a giant plant or a giant tree. So you can take the excerpts from the environment and put it into your economy as well. Seeds leading to plants, plants to trees. You're being a giant tree. To reach this giant tree, you need a small seed. That seed is given by the government. And seed or seed capital, investors often get an equity stake. Equity stakes in exchanging for the capital invested. And third point is that the investors can themselves be the founders. See, that is an important here, and use their savings as a seed money for new companies, and also known as bootstrapping. We also call this as bootstrapping. So this was about the seed funding. As I've given a very small example here, keep in mind with the such small excerpts would be in a very memorized way when you start your revisions as well. So that is about seed funding. And why do we need seed funding? As I've given the main reason only, we need a seed to become a giant tree. So that is why it becomes a prominent part. It is a fact that starting a new business and lifting it up off the ground is a huge ask and a huge task for the entrepreneurs, and it only gets by tougher capital constraints. For a startup, you have stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. So capital constraints becomes here. Whenever you have to start or whenever you have to become an entrepreneur, you have to rent a place. You have to invest in the products, invest in the infrastructure. Capital constraints comes, and seed fundings get things started before the business earns any revenue. See, before reaching to the third stage, that is the profits, you've been transferred with the money which you need to reach to the third level, that is the profits. Then it's an effective solution for startups and growing businesses, as you get the money before the constraints of loss or profit, and it provides the much needed early monetary support. Early investments or the early monetary supports, it can cover everything from infrastructure costs, marketing, development cost, as well as the cost of initial hiring. So whenever you have to be an entrepreneur, you have the infrastructure costs are important. This becomes the first point, infrastructure. Then human resources, you got the infrastructure, you get the marketing. For marketing, after marketing, you need the hirings. You have to hire people to market or develop a product on it. So all those initial conditions of a company could be done through the investment. Investment is the fuel of any business. As we say, money becomes the fuel for all financial transactions, and funding is the first drop of this fuel. And as seed money becomes much needed, cash reserves or working capital not having, it's one of the main reasons of the failure. Less money could be a failure in any matter. So this was about why we need seed funding. And see, there are various seed fundings which could be listed out here. First one is crowdfunding. The people gather together and crowd up themselves, take the funding from the various sources and put it in a single area. That could be called as crowdfunding. And corporate seeds funding, corporates directly funding to your projects. Then incubators, as you can say, there are setups of incubators. There would be a group of investors who could really help you to really see into your innovation and give for incubator. Accelerators, angel investors who really appreciates, or an elderly person who wants to improve the conditions of the youth. There could be angel investors, personal savings, that is always there. To be an entrepreneur, savings becomes a better vehicle for the future upbringings. Then venture capital, you have a venture, you have the partnerships, venture capital fundings, angel funds or angel networks. Angel networks would be a defined source of people, a defined source where you can actually expect from them angel investors. So this was a complete detail about the seed funding and how government of India is working hard on providing or improving the conditions of the startup and helping them to take the global recognition, and how India could raise its GDP, and also India could be a global challenge for every other country. So this was the end of this video, and these topics could be taken important with the UPSC GS3 economy Indian perspectives with respect to startups, Indian development, infrastructure. This topic could be important from such GS3 paper. And for such any current affairs video, any interesting daily current affairs, editorial analysis, you can log on to our website www.believersis.com and you can call upon our number 9611005946 for any inquiry regarding the foundational courses, optional subjects or any query with respect to UPSC examination. And you can subscribe on to our YouTube channel Believers IAS Academy and wait for the contrasting contemporary issues, social issues. All these topics will be dealt in a very exhaustive way. And